You look thoughtful today. What is new?
Hi, Lucy. Well, I actually have some news. I'm going to start a part-time job
That's great. Where will you work?
in a kitchen. But I'm nervous. I don't know all the English words. For cooking,
Oh, don't worry. Come to my house. We can cook together and I'll teach you some words.
really? That would help me a lot.
Let's go. Today we'll make a hamburger and a burrito. Welcome to my kitchen, Mark. Let's start with the tools you'll need. Repeat after me. Tablespoon, teaspoon, fork, knife, cutting board, grater, strainer, lemon squeezer.
Tablespoon, teaspoon, fork, knife, cutting board, grater, strainer, lemon squeezer.
Peeler, spatula, ladle, pan, pot, whisk, tongs, tray, oven mitts, for safety,
Peeler, spatula, ladle, pan, pot, whisk, tongs, tray, oven mitts.
Excellent. This is real English that you'll use at work. In America, and in many U.S. kitchens, you'll also hear short workplace phrases like, "Yes, chef," "hot pan," and "behind." For example, you can say, "Excuse me, where is the..." and you add the thing you are looking for.
Like, excuse me, where is the knife?
Exactly. You can also say, "Can you show me, please?"
Can you show me the bread loaves?
You got it.
I've heard chefs say, yes, chef, in movies.
Exactly. It's polite and shows respect. Now, let's practice cooking vocabulary while we make our hamburgers. First, wash the vegetables. Always wash lettuce and tomatoes before eating.
Wash the vegetables.
Now, slice the tomato and cut the lettuce. Use the cutting board and knife. Next, toast the bread. Put the burger bun in the toaster.
Toast the bread.
While that toasts, fry the beef patty in the pan. Add some salt.
Fry the patty. Add salt.
Good. When it's cooked, remove it from the pan. Place it on the bun.
Remove the patty. Place it on the bun.
Perfect. Add lettuce, tomato, and onion. Now say, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal.
Let's make a burrito. First, peel the garlic and chop the onions.
Peel the garlic. Chop the onions.
Next, open the can of beans. Then stir the beans in a pot with onion and spices.
Open the can. Stir the beans.
Great. While that cooks, grate some cheese.
Grate the cheese.
Pour the sauce onto the tortilla. Then set the table with plates, forks, and knives.
Set the table.
Now serve the rice and beans inside the burrito. Fold it up and taste the sauce.
Delicious.
After cooking, we clean. Repeat these actions. Wash the dishes, wipe the counter, cover the pot, store the food in the fridge, throw away the trash. Always turn off the stove.
Wash the dishes. Wipe the counter. Cover the pot. Store the food in the fridge. Throw away the trash. Always turn off the stove.
Excellent. And remember, in a busy kitchen you might hear hot pan to warn about danger. Behind to say you're walking behind someone.
That's really useful. I don't want accidents.
Let's review. Today you learned kitchen tools, tablespoon, teaspoon, fork, knife, cutting board, grater, strainer, lemon squeezer, peeler, spatula, ladle, pan, pot, whisk, tongs, tray, oven mitts, for safety, safety and phrases. Yes, chef. Excuse me, where is the hot pan? Behind.
Wow, Lucy, that's a lot. I feel much more confident now.
You will do great in your new job. Just practice these words every day. And you can practice too. Don't forget to subscribe in this channel to follow more daily English confidence stories.
Thanks, Lucy. You're the best teacher.